Good morning, friends. Again, a very important topic for those who want to go in banking sector. Today, a very important topic is going with us, that is specialization versus generalization. So, my team is ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, we'll start this topic. Before that, I want to tell you that what do you mean by the word general? See, in general, we include everything. But in specialization, we are going with the specialty, the special things, right? For example, so many people are going with BCom, BBA, but later on they go with MBA. The reason is only one, they want specialization in the same field. Yes? So what do you think, friend? Really specialization is good, or what do you think, is generalization enough? Yes.
Yeah, specialization is very important because the specialization earn more money compared to the generalization.
You feel as if?
Yes.
Okay. Then why so many RMPs and MBBS doctors are having abundance of patients rather than an MD or a DM? There may be some reason. So what do you think?
Just because of a specialization.
Okay.
Because they do a course, just like I have taken an example
Okay.
for engineering sector.
Okay.
If one is a person or a student do like a BTech in a IIT college or like similar rather than private colleges,
Right.
they can companies are taking a firstly they give a chance for a IIT
Okay.
rather than a private colleges.
Okay.
And after that they have doing a MTech, MBA or a MBBS or a like MTech. They have more specialists in our subject.
Very right.
So that's why specialization taking a more pay, like just because they show our skills and knowledges. That's why they and less competition, and companies also want to take too much amount or too much work or too much satisfaction for a customer.
Yes.
That's why specialization is very important. Actually generalization is also important, just because in the generalization every people do every work in the field.
Yes.
Like if you go in a company, then somebody like boss or a head sir said to you, you can do this thing.
Okay.
Then you can do that thing also, rather than your specialist.
I agree with you, but I agree with your totally point. That is the reason I can say that McDonald's employee is earning 50,000 rupees for working daily 12 hours over there, but brain surgeon hardly works for 5 minutes in operation,
Yes.
or sometimes maybe more, but works less as compared to a McDonald's employee, but earns in a day 50,000 rupees. So we can say that if you are specialized, definitely you are saving your time also.
Yes.
Yes, what do you think?
So according to me, I would say that in a generalization, as an example, you state that an MBBS is rushed by many people. I would say that yeah, he should be, because he's an all-rounder. He can take care of bones, he can take care of hairs, skin. He can also do surgeries. So he's always ready for a challenge. So I would say that generalization is better than the specialization.
Okay, we can take an example of here First Cry, a group.
Yes.
We are seeing this particular brand is
And who-
endorsed by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan,
Yes.
brand ambassadors. Here it is only for newborn babies. If somebody is entering a shop, they know very well, like their mindset they have, that what shop this is for particular shop. But when we are going to a mall, we have everything under one roof. So I think while going a mall, we see that so many malls are running well because of having lot many things together. And a single shop, a single brand, if they are only particularly for newborn babies, that is also running well. I think that depends on the quality of the thing or a person, which matters more. Rather going with only a particular thing, if we increase the quality of the thing, definitely the outcome is more better. Yes, please.
Sir, in my opinion, specialization takes a character out of a person. If the person is if a person has a better skills on what he's doing,
Okay.
on he's good at doing, so he is good at doing, and Sir, in hospital there are so many doctors, and one is a special surgeon or special neuro,
Right.
and second is a doctor that he is doing everything. But the neuro and the surgeon doctors getting paid getting paid high, and they are very respectful among the all of the doctors.
You are very right. They are more. See, now here the case occurs like so many people are going with master degrees, MBAs. For example, when they are going to MBA, the first year of their MBA, they do all things. Like they go with finance also, they go with marketing also, they go with all type of topics, including law and all those things. But in the second year, I can say the third semester, when they are asked that what particular thing you want and you want to be specialized, and then they say that my specialization is marketing, my specialization is finance, HR, my specialization in this, and then the organization or the college allow them to go in that stream. So I believe specialization, no doubt, you should be specialist in the things, but we should not lose our command on general things, because it is our base. If it is strong, definitely specialization can occur more and more better. Yes, any more your views?
So actually nowadays on the YouTube and on the internet, like a student study on that things.
Right.
But you know what? When students are studying for a traditional method, then they get things very more than YouTube and
Yes.
other things.
Yes.
And if they take a traditional method to get things, then they do our work very perfectly or do very clearly.
Yes.
Sincerity, and they also taking us like a discipline in our life.
Yes.
And they get after that in the future they get a specialization in our life, like they know about our future. Yes, we can do this thing, and they want this thing. So they also focused on a one point. If they use a YouTube and another kind of thing, many teachers are giving a different type of methods.
Yes.
But different type of method, I am also using a YouTube and all kind of things, and I am also sometimes I also test what things is correct. This thing also easy, this thing also easy. What kind of method I can use? If I take a particular method or a particular thing with a traditional method, then my focus is a one.
Yes.
It is a focus.
Right.
point.
Otherwise, we
That's-
get
otherwise we get
there is no particularity in the things, and we get disturbed.
Yes, we
No
get
distract from our things.
distract
Right.
from
Very
our
right.
thing.
Yes. Yes.
That's why we take that's why we take a one option in our life. Yes, I can do in my
Yes,
life.
I agree with you, because everybody can't be a doctor and inspector and police and lawyer.
And
It can't be possible.
nobody can see on the internet and make a doctor and like this kind
Yes,
of
yes,
things.
yes. You can't be.
You can focus on your one thing and you make a specialized on that thing. But
Yes.
generalization is also more important than specialization.
Yes.
Generalization is a all-rounder of a people. Like
Yes.
a one
Yes,
people
yes.
Being a
Knowing many things.
Yes.
Like
they are
he
knowing-
knows keeping also, wicket keeper also, fielding also,
Just
batsman
like a
also,
Dhoni.
and
Bowl
bowling
also,
also.
bat
Just like
Yes,
a,
yes.
just like
Sometimes it is very useful.
Yes, sir.
just like a Dhoni,
Okay.
Hardik
MS
Pandya.
Dhoni, and also Virat Kohli also.
Okay.
In a cricket match, we saw many times.
Yes,
And
no doubt.
They are captaining also, and like a pro.
Playing players as a
Good player also.
Promote our teams.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do that.
And a good motivator also.
Yes,
Yes.
motivator also, and playing well.
Yes.
And also a bowler, also a cricketer. Everything
Yes.
they do very well.
All right.
That's
Yes. What is your opinion?
Sir, according to me, I would say that she gave an example of a specialized cricketer like Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni.
Yes.
I would say that yeah, they are good, but what after the retirement?
Okay.
What would they do? Because
See, by that time they have earned as much that they don't need anything.
Yes, Yes,
They
because-
can even do for the social works.
Yes.
See, it is a peak of every person. In that peak, if person works systematically, that is enough. It is not that we have to work from 20 years to 100 years. It is not the case.
After
If
the-
you want to be specialized in 10 years also, you want to
Yes,
earn,
sir.
you can earn as much.
Yes, sir.
Then whole your life can easily get settled.
If you are not satisfied, after that you can retirement.
And you can
Then
go for other play,
Yes,
other
sir.
games, other things of your
Uh,
life.
if you-
Even
Yes,
Sunil
sir.
Sethi is having lot many hotels today.
Yes, sir.
If you don't lose your that kind of your specialist,
Right.
then you can make a like a make a teacher for coach, make
Very
a
good.
coach.
Yes,
then
the
you
coach is best.
And the Sachin
You-
Tendulkar is
you
retired
can
and he
give
joined the
a,
Air Force.
Yes,
Indian Air Force.
Indian Air Force.
Yes, sir.
you can give
And-
And sir, also they are becoming the brand ambassador of so many companies.
Yes,
Yeah,
they
but-
are.
But it's not an example of specialization.
Yes, I agree with you. But as you
but
your
it
question,
is also
they are
a
just answering.
generalization.
Yeah.
Yes,
It becomes a
they can.
generalization.
Yes, that time they can go with generalization.
Yes,
that
sir.
everything. Even you can see Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
He is promoting everything, right?
Yes,
We have seen so many advertisements. He is endorsed there.
Virat Kohli is in a specialist in a cricket, but nowadays they also making a ad on
Ad,
the
so many ads,
TV
yes.
channels. And now you know what MS Dhoni movie has been released. That
He was
time
not the actor.
he was not the actor.
Which
but-
is an example
but
of generalization.
yeah,
That he is generalizing in every field.
Yes, sir.
That's
Now
important.
he also in coming in ad or TV channels and everything, and
Yes.
they also do
And
our
now they
work
are-
and specialty and
There are so
showing
many
our
brands.
skill
There are
and-
so many brands. They
Sir,
invest.
they have the talent. They are having a talent of acting.
That only we understood from the topic that it is good that your base should be very strong. That is your general part. That is whatever you have done till yet in your life, whether it is your 10th standard, whether it is 12th standard, you should have a good knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, when you go with any specialized point, whatever it can be cricket, it can be any game, it can be any movie or whatever. But wherever you go, you will furnished soon. You will flourish more. Reason, because previously in generalized case you have made yourself already very strong. If we are not strong from general case, when you are going in specialty, I don't think they survive more. They can't compete the competition even.
Yes.
So that is mandatory. So we can say they are the legs of wheels of one's bicycle, where we see that bicycle can't run without these two wheels. So you should be first generalized, then you should go with specialized. Directly nobody can go with specialization.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
And nowadays, as the era is seeing, we are seeing that so many previously there were courses like BCom, BSc, BBA, but nowadays what is happening? There are mass communication. There are so many different courses, fashion designing, right? Interior designing. So many different new courses has come up. Even if I ask you what are your aims, you don't want to be a BA. You want to go in banking sector.
Yes.
Your aim is particular ICICI Bank. You want to go in industry, in pharmaceuticals, right? You want to be a cabin crew. You don't want to do an MA. You also want to be cabin crew. It shows that nowadays students are having aims which are always specialized. And if you make yourself strong in specialization also, including generalization,
Yes, sir.
then world is yours.
Yes.
And you can win the race, right? So I hope this short topic was very nice and your participation was very nice. Okay. So we hope that with your cooperation, so many students, those who are unable or visit PD classes, or I can say are unable to attend even such classes anywhere in the city, they can also take benefit out of it. Okay. So thank you students. Love you a lot.